Greetings to you, my viewers. If you've been watching my YouTube videos, then you must have come across a lot of videos that are made about Forex for you, a Forex trading broker with more than 16 years of experience, where you can trade more than 150 tradable instruments like stock, indices, commodities, etc. Today, I will be giving you a recap of the features and benefits of using Forex for you for your Forex trading, and also a general guide on how you can get the best experience on Forex trading using Forex for you. Let's go. I've made a lot of videos about this trading broker, and today I'm just going to give you a general recap of the features and benefits of using Forex for you as a trading broker, okay? And if you look right here, you'll see that Forex for you is celebrating her 16th year of serving her customers in the world of Forex trading, okay? And there are lots of things that you can benefit from this opportunity. Okay, you can see $16,000 worth of prizes, and I don't really want to double too much into this. For you to find out more, you just click on find out more, and from there you know the requirements and how to qualify for you to become a part of the winners of these prizes. Okay, so now scrolling down, when you scroll down, you see that there are several ways for you to deposit in this platform. You can see, okay, there's Visa, there's MasterCard, Netala, WebMoney, lots of ways for you to deposit. If you click on see all, you're going to see all of them, okay? And if you still scroll further down, you'll see the various ways for you, various trading platforms. There's Forex for you mobile, there's MetaTrader 4 Trader, there's the Forex for you web trader, there's the desktop trader, okay? And it's just incredible. And remember, you can still copy trade, okay? You can see trending share for you leaders. This share for you is for copy trading, okay? And then there are trading instruments, Forex trading, commodity trading, indices, stock trading. These are going to help you learn and familiarize yourself with all the information you need to know for you to start making money with Forex trading. I've logged into my account, okay? If you've not signed up, I'll leave the sign up link in the video description, okay, and the official website too. And if you look right here, this is my account, okay, and you can see, of course, I'm verified here. If you click on financial operations and you stay under deposit, these are several options for you to deposit, okay? There is internet banking, okay, there is a payment systems, Skrill, Netella, Perfect Money, Advanced Cash. You can as well deposit with cryptocurrencies, okay? And of course, when you click on withdrawal, just as the name goes, it is for you to withdraw your funds. You can withdraw via internet banking, via cryptocurrency, payment systems, and most times you withdraw according to how you deposited, okay? But your profits, the profits you've made through Forex trading or Forex Copy Trading, can most times be withdrawn by any means that you want. But if you want to withdraw your capital will be withdrawn according to the option that you used to deposit, okay? So this transfer here is for you to transfer from one of your accounts to another account, okay? And then external transfer is for you to transfer to a partner account, okay? Yeah, then history, bonuses, and others, okay? And then if you come down to Trading Hero Contest, okay, you will see top 30 gets cash prizes, okay? Up to 30,000 USD pool per round, okay? And this is for where people that know what they're doing in Forex trading or Forex Copy Trading, where they rank. You can see the number one person, the profitability in percentage, you can see the price, okay? Yeah, and that's how it is going down, okay? Then trading signals, of course, just like I said earlier in several in the other videos, are where you get your signals, okay? Your technical analysis, you can see the news, technical analysis, featured ideas, economic calendar, auto chart list, free auto chart list. These are going to help you make educated guess or make your educated decisions when you trade your Forex, okay, or when you copy your trades, okay? If you click on trading platforms, okay, and you come here, there are several ways for you to trade, okay? This Forex for you mobile, okay, that's the mobile app, the MetaTrader 4, okay, the web trader, the desktop trader, okay? So you can as well choose any option that you want to use to carry out your trading on this trading broker, okay? Then customer support, okay? So when you click on customer support, it is where you submit your tickets or ask questions or get help if you need any, okay? The customer support reply with the speed of light, okay? But in case if you have any problems, just send the request, okay? Type your subject, message, attach screenshots if need be, and you'll be replied almost instantly, especially when it is within working hours, okay? And you can see a phone number here for you to call, okay, for instant support too. This share for you is very, very important. This is Forex for you, but share for you is where you copy your trades, okay? This is for copy trading, where if you don't want to you just want to copy the trades of professionals and make money just like them, what you just have to do is welcome to Share For You, a quick guide. You can actually follow this and you'll be guided on how this platform works, okay, how this Share For You part works. Okay, now if you look down here, you can see this is where I was copying a trade. You can see I do this practically. Okay, you can see I was copying this guy, and then at the point I just paused it, I can click here to resume. Okay, if anytime I want to continue copying. Okay, now you can see on this part, this is if you click on leaders, okay, as you see top performing. Okay, these are guys that are doing well. Okay, you can see this guys has gained plus 60% in the last 30 days, plus 46%, plus 25%. And once you just click on them, from here you can just start copying anybody you want to copy. Okay, with the amounts that you want to. Once you put the amounts, start to copy once. Okay, you can just start copying. It's just that simple. Okay, now another thing I still want to show you is when you come to this website and you click on education, you'll be redirected to where you have lots of educational materials for you to understand how forex trading works. Okay, especially on this platform. Okay, you can see forex preschool, primary, secondary, trading university. Okay, yes, if you come down here, you can see articles, trading school, video tutorials, economic calendar. Okay, you can see these are going to guide you, video tutorials made simplified for you to understand how forex trading works, especially on Forex4You. Okay, if you come to economic calendar, they help you make forex trading decisions. You will know what is happening in the economic world. You can see currency pairs and some activities that may affect it and when they are happening. And you can see background ID. You can see monthly this indicator. Okay, past events, present events, up and coming events, countries, European Union, all countries. So when you study all of these, you're going to be ahead of the game. You're going to understand how all this works. Okay, so right now let us dabble into this Forex4You mobile app and let me show you how it works too, so that you can also have a knowledge of how Forex4You works on the mobile app. Okay, so to use the Forex4You app, just go to Play Store or your App Store and just search Forex4You. Okay, I've already installed it, so you just install it if you've not installed it and log in. Okay, so when you log in, you can see this platform is very clear and easy to use. Now remember, your own may be white. I have dark theme turned up. I have dark theme turned on my phone, so your own might be white when you download it. Okay, when you are here, you can see trading down here. This is where you see all the major currency pairs like the Euro USD. If you click on it, you are going to see the charts, how it's going, how it's moving, if you want to buy or sell. Now you can see all the major currency pairs here. You can click on analytics and you see all the several analytics for you to study while you make your trade. This is forex, stock, commodities. Okay, if you click on others, you see all your orders, your pending orders, your executed orders, your closed orders, your open orders. Okay, if you click on profile, this is where you can edit your personal information, verify yourself, and all those stuff. You can as well see how to contact the customer support. You see live chat here. You can see live chat. If you click on live chat, you see live chats and you can chat with them. You can click on call, and then you have several ways to call them and messages, invite friends from here too. And right from this top, you will see deposit funds right here looking at you. So when you click on deposit funds, from here you'll be directed to where you are going to deposit your funds. Okay, once you put in your password right now, the different ways to deposit your options will pop up and you can follow the on-screen instructions. Okay, so right from around here, you can click on this drop down arrow and you can switch to demo account. Okay, when you switch to demo account, you can see I have a little above $1,000 in my demo account, and if you click there, you can click on deposit funds so you can do some practice. Let me deposit another $1,000. Okay, add funds, and then $1,000 has been added to your account. You go back, you refresh. If you don't see the money instantly, you can log out. You can log out and log back in, or you can switch to real money and then switch back to demo, and you are going to see the money right there. Okay, you can see the money is right there, $2,000. So right now, when you want to practice or practice how to trade, you know what I mean, you can decide to choose USD, Japanese yuan. Okay, and then when you click on it, you look at the analysis. You see it's dropping quite low, and I think it's still gonna go further. So let me just click on sell. $1,000 here, confirm. That way you've just opened an order. Okay, I made a full video on how you can place a trade and how you are going to manage your trades even on the mobile app. Okay, and I'm going to leave that video in the video description. Okay, so you can go there and watch a detailed video on the steps of how you can place a trade on the demo mode on the real account. Okay, so that is how simple it is to use the Forex4YOU mobile app. Okay, yeah, so generally this is a recap of how to use Forex4YOU. Okay, so I made a lot of videos about Forex4YOU, and I recommend you watch those videos, as I'm going to leave all of them in the video description here on YouTube. And before I end this video, I would love to do a testimonial or like a review of this platform Forex4YOU and share my personal experience. Okay, now the first thing I love about this Forex4YOU is the multiple deposit and withdrawal options. Okay, yes, if you come here, you will see that you have tons of options for you to deposit and withdraw. Okay, just like I explained earlier, there is internet banking, there are payment systems, there is cryptocurrencies. You cannot just get stuck while trying to deposit or withdraw your money. That's the first thing I love about this trading broker. Then the second thing I love too is the verification. The verification takes just about 30 minutes to 1 hour, or maximum 24 48 hours max. Mine took just 1 hour, but it was on a working period. Okay, it was on a working period. I think it was a Monday or a Tuesday in the working period. Okay, it was in a working period and I just got verified, okay, within 1 hour or two. Okay, yes, another thing I love very well is the customer support. The customer support is just so helpful and very active, 247. You get support anytime you have any issues. Okay, then also I love the trading signals, the option of trading signals, the trading hero contest. Okay, if you come to this trading hero contest and if you are really good in forex trading and you are making money, you are going to get ranked here, and believe you me, you are going to get cash prizes. Okay, you can see week 4, see the amount, see top 30, get cash prize. Okay, and then trading platforms, this makes it very very easy for you to trade your forex on the go. If you are even if you are in the public transport, or if you are eating, or if you are inside your car, or if you're anywhere, you can trade with your mobile app. You can use your MetaTrader 4. You can use, so there are several ways for you to trade and benefit. Okay, and then of course, just like I said earlier, when you come to the home page, this educational material is very very important. Okay, that's one thing I love too about this trading broker, and I've gained a lot from reading here, watching videos. Okay, for Share4You, okay, just like I said earlier, but when you come to Share4You and you click on leaders, you're going to see the top performing people, and just with the click of this plus sign, put in your amount, you start copying trades. Okay, and you can stop your trade anytime, you can stop copying anytime, and you can withdraw your money at any time. Okay, so those are just the basic things I love about this Forex trading broker, and my experience has been amazing so far. Okay, you can earn money when you refer your friends and family, and you can get $50 bonus for everyone. Okay, so those are the major things I love about this trading broker. And if you've not signed up for Forex4YOU, I recommend you do that using the link displayed on the screen right now. And I made earlier videos, just like I said before. I have about 12 videos on Forex4YOU, and I'm going to leave the playlist of those 12 videos in the video description here on YouTube. Okay, for you to watch and understand everything you need to know about Forex4YOU. Okay, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section and I'll attend to them ASAP. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Thank you so much for watching till this point. I really appreciate that. And before I end this video, I would love to state that trading Forex involves some significant amount of risk to your invested capital. An asset may reduce in value or may be lost totally if you do not understand what you're doing. So I recommend you take proper caution and consult your financial advisor before you go into Forex trading, or before you even go into Forex Copy Trading. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you gained any value in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.